Hi, today we are gonna see neither, nor. Neither, nor is a correlative conjunction used in English to connect two or more alternatives, indicating that none of the options is applicable or true. This construction is employed to express a negative condition for multiple choices. Let's see the sentences and explanation. He speaks neither French nor Spanish. This sentence indicates that the person doesn't speak either French or Spanish. She likes neither tea nor coffee. This expresses that she doesn't like either of the two beverages. Neither the cat nor the dog was in the house. The sentence suggests that both the cat and the dog were absent from the house. The team showed neither skill nor determination during the game. It conveys that the team lacked both skill and determination in the game. She neither accepted the offer nor declined it. The person didn't either accept or decline the offer. Neither the red shirt nor the blue one fits me. Both the red and blue shirts are unsuitable in size. He can neither swim nor dive. This means he cannot perform either activity. The movie was neither exciting nor engaging. It suggests that the movie lacked both excitement and engagement. They are neither rich nor famous. The statement implies that they lack both wealth and fame. The restaurant serves neither vegetarian nor vegan dishes. It indicates that the restaurant doesn't offer either vegetarian or vegan options. Neither the teacher nor the students understood the complex problem. Both the teacher and the students had difficulty understanding the problem. He is neither a doctor nor a lawyer, he's an engineer. This clarifies that his profession is neither medicine nor law but engineering. The weather was neither hot nor cold, it was perfect. It suggests that the weather was neither excessively warm nor cool but ideal. The solution is neither simple nor straightforward. It implies that the solution is not easy or direct. The book is neither fiction nor non-fiction, it's a memoir. It specifies that the book is not categorized as either fiction or non-fiction but as a memoir. She has neither the time nor the energy to deal with the situation. The person lacks both the time and energy to address the situation. Neither the CEO nor the employees were satisfied with the new policy. Both the CEO and the employees expressed dissatisfaction with the new policy. He has neither the skills or the experience required for the job. The person lacks both the necessary skills and experience for the job. The restaurant offers neither spicy nor mild options on the menu. It indicates that the restaurant doesn't provide either spicy or mild dishes. They can attend neither the morning or the afternoon session. The individuals are unable to attend either the morning or afternoon session. The car is neither fast nor fuel efficient. It suggests that the car lacks both speed and fuel efficiency. Neither the father nor the mother could attend the school event. Both parents were unable to attend the school event. The results were neither positive nor negative, they were inconclusive. The results did not show a clear positive or negative outcome, they were inconclusive. She neither laughed nor cried, she remained stoic. The person did not express either laughter or tears, she remained composed. The laptop has neither a touchscreen nor a backlit keyboard. It indicates that the laptop lacks both a touchscreen and a backlit keyboard. He neither confirmed nor denied the allegations. The person neither affirmed nor refuted the accusations. The package includes neither a warranty nor a user manual. It specifies that the package does not contain either a warranty or a user manual. Neither the students nor the teachers were prepared for the surprise test. Both the students and the teachers were unprepared for the unexpected test. The dress is neither too long nor too short, it's just right. It conveys that the dress is neither excessively long nor short but of an appropriate length. Neither the old model nor the new one meets our requirements. Both the old and new models fail to meet the specified requirements. He neither accepted the challenge nor declined it, he simply ignored it. The person did not actively accept or decline the challenge, he ignored it. Neither the cat nor the dog likes to be left alone. Both the cat and the dog dislike being left alone. The solution is neither cheap nor expensive, it's reasonably priced. It suggests that the solution is neither low cost nor high cost but reasonably priced. She can neither sing nor dance. The person cannot perform either singing or dancing. The phone neither vibrates nor makes a sound when on silent mode. It indicates that the phone does not vibrate or make any sound when in silent mode. Neither the manager or the employees were aware of the policy change. Both the manager and the employees were unaware of the change in policy. The movie was neither long nor short, it had a moderate runtime. It suggests that the movie's duration was neither excessively long nor short but moderate. Neither of the options is suitable for our project. Both options are unsuitable for the project. The town is neither too crowded nor too quiet, it has a perfect balance. It conveys that the town is neither excessively crowded nor too quiet but has an ideal balance. She neither understood the question nor knew how to answer it. The person neither comprehended the question nor had the knowledge to respond to it. The concert is neither indoors nor outdoors. It's in a tent. It specifies that the concert is not held either indoors or outdoors but in a tent. Neither the car nor the bike is available for rent. Both the car and the bike are not available for rental. The restaurant serves neither pizza nor pasta, it specializes in sushi. It indicates that the restaurant does not offer either pizza or pasta but specializes in sushi. Neither the morning nor the evening works for our meeting. Both the morning and the evening are unsuitable for the meeting. The software neither supports Windows nor Mac operating systems. It specifies that the software is not compatible with either Windows or Mac operating systems. Neither the cat nor the dog likes rainy weather. Both the cat and the dog dislike rainy weather. The book is neither too easy nor too difficult, it's at an intermediate level. It suggests that the book is neither overly easy nor overly difficult but at an intermediate level. The proposal is neither comprehensive nor detailed, it lacks sufficient information. It indicates that the proposal is neither thorough nor detailed, lacking the necessary information. Neither the teacher or the students were impressed with the presentation. Both the teacher and the students were unimpressed with the presentation. The company offers neither discounts nor promotions at the moment. It specifies that the company is not providing either discounts or promotions currently. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.